It's really busy, folks. Imagine summer. I can't imagine the summertime. It must be even worse. Oh, it's a cheese factory here, look. The old cheese factory. Volendam cheese factory. Press your cheese. Press your cheese here. Smell of cheese, folks. It's really smelling of cheese. Cheese galore. Since 1853 they've been making cheese, folks. Yeah. What a setup. They've been going with cheese since 1853. And then roll those cheese blocks. Cheese bath. Making cheese. The old milk been measured in the old scales. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. The old office. Nice. A visit to the Volendam's Cheese Factory Museum is offered to you by our sponsors. Nice. And the radio going there. Look at the radio. Wow. Cool, man. And the clogs. From cheddar cheese to Dutch cheese. The old Saint Granddad had those. It's busy as anything, folks. There you go. dropped in farm cheese. Volendam. No cheese making tonight. It's pretty clean. No cheese making tonight. Have to come on another day. Isn't that cool? I love these milk cans. They still do it in India. Let me show you. Next month, from Mumbai to Bangalore, they still carry this stuff. The yogurts they make. They no longer carry these gallon aluminum cans anymore.